Hello, welcome to agronomyforfuture.com. In my previous post, I explained how to calculate Cook's distance step by step, and noted that in R, you can simply use the function cooks.distance. However, this simple function only provides the Cook's distance values. In that post, I explained the formula for Cook's distance in detail, including how to compute residuals, leverage, and internal studentized residuals. To make it easier to calculate these values, I recently developed an R package called datacooks. Before installing datacooks, please download R tools and install the following package. After installing datacooks, type $datacooks in your console to view the code explanation. Let's practice using an actual dataset. This dataset contains fruit size traits such as weight, length, diameter, and area. First, I'd like to fit a model between weight and area. This linear regression is significant, with an R-squared of 0.79. Let's visualize the fitted model. Some data points deviate markedly from the fitted line, so I'd like to identify outliers mathematically using Cook's distance. With datacooks, you simply provide the model and a threshold. The function will optionally discard the outliers based on this threshold. The common cutoff for defining outliers is calculated as 4 divided by n minus p, where n is the number of observations and p is the number of parameters in the model. For example, in this model, p is 2, one parameter is the intercept, and the other is weight. If you want a stricter criterion for detecting outliers, you may choose a value smaller than 4. When you run datacooks, the function automatically adds several diagnostic columns: prediction, the fitted values from the model; residuals, the distance between each point and the fitted line; leverage, internally studentized residuals; and Cook's distance, which is computed from the leverage and studentized residuals. It also adds a category column that labels each observation as either outlier or normal based on the model and chosen threshold. Let's visualize this dataset. Datacooks identifies 10 data points as outliers. Let's discard these outliers. Now that all outliers have been removed, the R-squared has increased. Let's evaluate the model again using the DF2 dataset. Try different models, and if some data points deviate from the fitting and you think they're outliers, you can use datacooks to easily discard them. For more details, please visit agronomyforfuture.com.